Introducing Amazon Cloud Cam. It's everything you need in an intelligent, affordable indoor security camera, all controlled by a single app, so you can keep an eye on things at home even when you're far away.
I wonder how the girls are doing.
And have peace of mind, knowing everything is okay. Put Cloud Cam on a shelf or mount it on the wall. With 1080p Full HD, advanced motion detection, two-way audio, night vision, and more, Cloud Cam has everything you need to monitor your home day or night. Cloud Cam will alert you when it sees activity, and two-way audio lets you hear and be heard.
Henry, get down from there.
You can access Cloud Cam using compatible Alexa-enabled devices. So if you hear something go bump in the night, you can use your voice to check it out and feel safer immediately.
Alexa, show me the back door.
And Echo Show's hands-free voice control makes it super easy to see live feeds from any room of your home without putting down what you're doing. So when your favorite dining companions are late for dinner, just ask, and Alexa can show you why.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
Free access to the last 24 hours of motion detection clips stored in the secure Amazon cloud means you'll never be left wondering how your daughter's toy got into your lunch. And when you upgrade to a subscription plan, Cloud Cam can even distinguish between actual people and general motion, so you'll only get the alerts that matter most.
Hey, buddy. You want to go for a walk?
Cloud Cam also powers the newest feature for Prime members. With Amazon Key, get free delivery of Amazon packages inside your front door. Plus, grant the people you trust access to your home, and use Cloud Cam to watch it all happen in real time. Get peace of mind in every room of your home with Amazon Cloud Cam. It's everything you need in an intelligent indoor security camera.
Ring makes simple ways to protect and watch over your home, because safer homes mean safer neighborhoods. Introducing Stick-Up Cam by Ring, a next-generation indoor-outdoor security camera that keeps you connected to your home and family.
Hey, Dad. Hey, honey. Remember, Eli's recital's at 7.
I'll be there.
Motion-activated notifications alert you to the things you need to know.
Can I help you?
Stick-Up Cam keeps an eye on things when you're not there and gives you peace of mind when you are. Combine Stick-Up Cam with your Ring alarm and other Ring cameras to create a complete ring of security around your home. Stick-Up Cam works seamlessly with your Amazon Echo devices,
Alexa, show me the pool.
so you can be doing anything while still keeping an eye on everything. Stick-Up Cam is available in wired, power over Ethernet, solar, and battery options, making it easy to install in any home. So get smart about your home security with the easy-to-use, anywhere, anytime Stick-Up Cam by Ring.